welcome back to this fourth and final episode of A Day Out of Flying. I've recently departed from the Anson County Airport in North Carolina, and I'm about to enter the traffic pattern for the Pageland Airport here in South Carolina.
Pageland traffic, 8448 uniform. We're about 4 to the northeast. We're going to be overflying the airport and entering left downwind for runway 24. Pageland traffic.
So, as you just heard, I'm northeast of the airport, flying toward the center of the field. Once I overfly, I'll roll left and enter the downwind leg of the traffic pattern for runway 24. And even though I haven't heard anybody else in the traffic pattern, I'll keep an eye out for non-radio aircraft that might be lurking about.
Gasoline, fullest tank. Gear down and lock. Pump, gas. The carriage down. Locked. Is mixture. Propeller. Airport is in sight. We're descending down to 1,500, which should be a good pattern altitude. These two vehicles on what looks like either a parallel taxiway or a drive along the right side of the runway. Sox definitely favoring runway 24. Pageland traffic for a uniform. Overhead the airport, about to enter left downwind runway 24, Pageland.
So Travis Skywagons crossing over bed 0, join left downwind for 18 York. Pushing traffic, Cessna 888, 10 miles south of the field, inbound for full stop landing runway 1733.
At a good altitude. Looks good for downwind.
Okay, left downwind 18 York. Left base for 18 York.
Pageland traffic 48 uniform on downwind for runway 24, Pageland.
Carb heat on.
Okay, start down.
Power reduce. And add some flaps. Turn left on the base leg. The runway here is just under 4,000 feet long and skinnier than most at 60 feet wide. Still plenty long and plenty wide, enough for this little Cessna 172.
500.
More flaps. And make a radio call.
And Pageland 48 uniform, short model, runway 24, Pageland traffic.
Now clean up the airplane. And go. And I'm off. Initially, I climb straight ahead until reaching at least 400 feet AGL. Then I'll turn right and head for home across the border to Monroe, North Carolina.
Pageland traffic, 48 uniforms departing the area to the northwest.
I'll climb to 2,000 for the flight back. That is going to wrap up today's flight. I sincerely hope you enjoyed riding along and maybe picked something up in the process. Until the next time, remember, life is a journey. Enjoy the ride, and thanks for watching.
Traffic, 790 today, 5 miles to the south and bound to the left downwind, 17 ready.